Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create powerful, customized sales reports using the Sales Analytics tool in HubSpot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to access and analyze your sales data with confidence, making it a breeze to track performance, spot patterns, and share insights with your team. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access the heart of HubSpot's reporting features. Once you're logged into your HubSpot account, look towards the top navigation bar. Locate and click on Reporting, then choose Reports. This area is where all your analytics magic will happen. Think of it like the main dashboard of a car, where you get to see everything that's going on under the hood. Don't worry if you're not familiar with this section yet. The layout is quite intuitive once you're inside. Now, let's zoom in on sales specifically. Over on the left sidebar menu, you'll see a list of report categories. Click on Sales. This narrows down your options, showing only those reports that focus on sales activity, revenue, pipeline movements, and more. By doing this, you avoid sifting through marketing or service data, letting you concentrate solely on what matters for your sales goals. Next, you need to pick the report that fits what you're looking to understand. HubSpot offers a variety of sales report templates and topic areas, from deal progress to sales activity breakdowns. Spend a moment here previewing the options. The center panel will show you a snippet of each report so you can better gauge if it matches your needs. For example, if you want to track monthly revenue per sales rep, look for a report template that aligns with that focus. Clicking around here costs nothing, so feel free to explore until you find the one that feels right. After you choose your report, it's time to make the data your own. On the right panel, find the Filters tab and click it. This lets you fine-tune exactly what you see. Think of it like adjusting the thermostat to get just the right temperature. For instance, you can set the date range to zoom in on last quarter's numbers, or group results by owner to see individual performance. You can even filter by specific sales reps or teams, which is especially handy for managers who want tailored views. Don't worry if you're unsure about how to segment your data. HubSpot's drop-down menus make this really straightforward. Try different options and see how the report changes. This is where the tool truly shines by letting you slice and dice your information to get actionable insights. Once your filters are set, let's make your report easy on the eyes. For compatible reports, you'll have the option to toggle between overtime and totals. In other words, you can switch between a bar chart and a column chart. The right visualization can make trends pop or make totals easier to digest at a glance. If you're a visual thinker, don't skip this step. Play around until you find the layout that helps tell your story best. Now, before wrapping up, take a moment to review the details of your selected report. Click the About This Report tab in the right panel. Here, you'll get a brief description, as well as info about what data properties are included. Think of this as reading the label on a product before you buy. It's always worth knowing exactly what you're working with. This is an often overlooked step that can save time and confusion down the line, especially when sharing reports with colleagues who might need context. Finally, once your report looks good, let's get it into the hands of your team or save it for future reference. To share the report, click the Actions drop-down menu and select Copy Report URL. That way, you can send a link directly so others can view the same report in real time. If you'd like to keep this report handy, just add it to a dashboard or save it to your reports list. It only takes a click, and it ensures your customized view is always at your fingertips. And that's it, your complete guide to creating sales reports in HubSpot's analytics tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment with any questions you have, and subscribe for more actionable tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.